Paul, do it again. Shoot it again. Paul, shoot it again.
You can shut that lid because that motor's there, dude.
Yeah, shut the lid.
Get closer.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, shut the fucking lid.
I want to watch him here.
Get closer.
Oh, shut the lid.
No, let it go. We've gone too far. Just shut it from the back side.
Sorry, let it go. It's gone.
Oh my god.
Oh, party. Dave, why aren't you? This is your idea.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Light that shit off.
Oh.
That's something big. That's gotta be big.
I hear a fuse going.
It's actually the grill.
The metal is combusted.
Oh my god.
This is a great idea. Is this the coolest thing you've ever seen? I think I'm officially proud to be part of it.
Did you realize it's gonna burn through the bottom of the grill at this temperature?
I don't think the mortar went off yet.
We should be able to see when the mortar lights if it hasn't gone off already.
Why didn't we think to get the water?
Yeah. Yeah.